Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy kefir. We'll start by understanding what kefir is and why it's such a fantastic addition to your diet. Then, we'll dive straight into the simple steps needed to create this probiotic-rich drink right in your own kitchen. You'll discover how easy it is to achieve that wonderfully thick and tangy texture, turning everyday milk into a superfood. Get ready to master the art of homemade creamy kefir with confidence and ease. To begin your creamy kefir journey, you'll need a few key items. First, ensure you have live, active kefir grains. These are crucial for proper fermentation. Next, select high-quality whole milk. It provides the fat content essential for that luxurious creaminess. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal strainer, and a breathable cloth cover. Remember, avoiding metal contact with your grains helps keep them healthy and active for many batches to come. Now let's get to the heart of making creamy kefir, the fermentation. Place about 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains into your clean glass jar, then add approximately 2 cups of whole milk. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, securing it with a rubber band. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 to 48 hours. Gently stir it once or twice during this period to encourage even fermentation and a smoother texture. Once your kefir has fermented to your liking, it's time to strain it. Gently separate the grains from the finished kefir using a non-metal strainer. Your grains are now ready for their next batch. For an even creamier texture and enhanced flavor, consider a second fermentation by adding fruit or vanilla to the strained kefir for a few hours. Store your delicious, creamy kefir in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy it plain or as a base for your favorite smoothies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.